Today we are going to make a pine tree using the blow painting technique with a straw. You will need a piece of white paper, watercolors, paintbrushes, and a straw. Let's draw the tree trunk on the bottom of the paper and paint it. You can use crayons or markers instead of watercolors for the trunk. Let's put several drops of water in the green watercolor paints with the brush. And place a big drop of it on top of the paper. Then make a few rows by adding drops below the first drop. After that, turn the paper upside down and take the straw. Now it is time to blow them. The more you blow by changing direction little by little, the bigger the tree will be. If you want, you can add more drops on it. Great! How about making new arts and crafts out of these pine trees? You can make a collage of the pine tree landscape, a garland, or a card with the pine tree. Think about it and make your own. Do you want to try it with me? It'll be fun. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Bye!